Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of wall mirrors and exploring how these versatile decor pieces can enhance your space with reflection and style. Mirrors not only serve as practical purpose but also have the power to transform the aesthetics of your room, making it appear larger, brighter, and more visually appealing. Join us as we discuss the various types of wall mirrors, their benefits, and creative ways to incorporate them into your home decor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Wall mirrors are more than just functional accessories, they can dramatically impact the look and feel of a room. We will discuss the importance of incorporating mirrors into space, the benefits they offer, and how they can create an illusion of depth, light, and openness. Discover how wall mirrors can become a key element in your interior design. Wall mirrors come in a various shapes, sizes, and styles catering to different tastes and decor themes. We will explore options such as round mirrors, rectangular mirror, ornate mirrors, minimalist designs, and even unique geometric shapes. Discover how each type of mirror can add its own charm and personality to your space. One of the significant advantages of wall mirrors is their ability to reflect light and create an illusion of space. We will discuss strategic placement of mirrors to maximize natural light, amplify artificial lighting, and visually expand small or dark rooms. Discover how to harness the power of mirrors to make your space feel brighter and more spacious. Wall mirrors can serve as decorative focal points in your room, adding style, elegance, and visual interest. We will discuss how mirrors with unique frame, decorative accents, and beloved edges can enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. Discover how to select the mirrors that complement your existing decor and create a harmonious atmosphere. Beyond their decorative value, wall mirrors also offer functional uses in different areas of your home. We will explore how mirrors can be utilized in entryways, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and even home gyms. Discover how to incorporate mirrors in these spaces to enhance functionality and elevate their overall design. The placement and arrangement of wall mirrors can significantly impact their visual impact. We will share creative ideas on how to arrange multiple mirrors, create mirror gallery walls, or use oversized mirror. Discover how to experiment with different placement arrangements to achieve a unique and personalized look. That concludes our video on wall mirrors and enhancing your space with reflection and style. We hope you have gained valuable insights into the world of wall mirrors and their potential to transform your home decor. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance, light, and visual interest to your space, consider incorporating well-placed mirrors. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and design ideas. We will see you in the next video.